Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good night for Sir Adnan and fellow friends. Today we want to present about the Karipap Frozen Enterprise, and our group is me, Muhammad Rahman bin Muhammad Rashid, Muhammad Reza bin Nasrul, and Sophie Raja Ashikin. We want to introduction of our Karipap Frozen Enterprise. Okay, the Karipap Frozen Enterprise, we provide a variety of filling. We use the traditional recipe from my family that has a special ingredient in it. And the product will come with various packaging method. For the ingredient, we also choose influsion manufacturer and provide a high quality flour, yeast, and baking powder. Okay, so we choose to make it price reasonable. Business, we creating business opportunity in the frozen food industry for enterprise, especially Bumi Putra. We develop a frozen food chain business concept that has a world-class level, and we process and technology in the manufacture of frozen food for local and international retail market. We deal more efficiently and professionally with customer. The handling of the matter according to the company produces through work ethic and cultivation of poor value between suppliers and customer. Mission. Our mission for the business is opening a new branch throughout Malaysia, compete with other curry business to meet customer need, and customer can enjoy fresh frozen curry puff. And vision, produce and market halal and high quality food and create a brand international level. Okay, we wanted to describe you about owner and staff background. The owner name is me, I'm Rashid. I'm a younger entrepreneur of 20 years old. I drive the mission and vision to innovate the food industry. And I'm graduate from University Technical Malaysia Melaka with a degree in industry engineering and had a passion of cooking and striving to always come up with something fresh and original. The staff financial manager is Muhammad Reza bin Nasrul. Has more than 30 years of experience working as a finance specialist in the food and beverage sector. Experience in financial management and background is accounting. He a person in charge of overseeing the company will financial operator. Joined the flagging frozen food business in Pahang in 2015, a primary focus on the creation and distribution of frozen curry. Staff of marketing is Raja Sophie, a Master of International Business degree work experience, 5 years in a frozen fruit market and sales industry. Passion in the food and beverage industry date back to her early year. Joined a company that specializes in frozen curry puff good after earning a master degree in international business. Worked as a member of the marketing team for the business. She has been in charge for advertising and market frozen curry puff item. You can look in the picture of organization chart and theory reference. To market segmentation theory, place a strong emphasis on the necessity of breaking the market down into smaller categories and outline consumer preference and want. Can be applied to the frozen curry puff industry to pinpoint possible market niches, such as active family in need to convenient food or young children who enjoy frozen snack. Customer value theory, signification of providing client with value by pushing the advantage of the product and the price being charged. Supply chain theory. Effective supply chain management is included along with the acquisition of raw material, manufacture, storage, and distribution of goods. Industry of streamlined supply chain guarantee the availability of high quality raw material, reverse product freshness throughout storage and distribution, and reduce price and delivery item. Financial management theory included a fundamental of financial management, including budgeting, cash flow management, choosing investment, and financial analysis. Can be applied to essentially manage finances, conduct investment, feasibility analysis, control cash flow, and create suitable budget. We want to give to the Muhammad Reza bin Nasrul to continue our presentation. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Reza bin Nasrul. I'm the next presenter of this project Crepak for the Enterprise organization. To KPI, Key Performance Indicator of Option Model. To approach get rid of the waste that results from unclear instruction and poor communication. Method, senior management, middle management, implementation team. The option plan is quantity of product per day. The vision and objective to achieve product targets. The strategy, prepare products according to schedule. Resources using the data that has been done. Action according to the SOP provided. Schedule, every task performance must follow the schedule. Next. The source, the first is technical training, and then safety training and staff evaluation. Example for staff evaluation form. To quality system, is a formalized system that outlines the steps taken to accomplish quality goals and policies is referred to as a quality system. Organizing and directing and organizations operating in order can assist fulfill consumer expectation. Maintain food safety regulation and have consistent quality by using a quality system during production. Plan layout. Have two layout, which is plan layout and process layout. Plan layout is general adjustment of several functional section inside a manufacturing facility. That's workflow, space utilization, equipment and machinery placement. For process layout, focuses on how workstation resources and equipment are organized within a particular department or production area. Process sequence, equipment placement, and workstation design. Example for our plan layout. Two, we use the same place. Two, ingredient preparation and filling preparation. Ingredient preparation and drop preparation, and then 3, filling preparation. So 4, assembly and shaping. Baking for 5, cooling and packaging for 6, and 7, lastly for storage and freezing. Balancing analysis 5 here. First, identify work tasks, determine task time, define precedence relationship, calculate total work time, evaluate workstation efficiency, time of proposal making process. So we use this table to know time we use to make the frozen proposal. For precedent diagram, bottleneck time, cycle time, and minimum number of workstations. Calculate we use to the longest time rules for Crepak frozen. As to manage Crepak frozen enterprise to be the good management in factories. So the first is sort. Remove any equipment, packaging materials, or ingredient that are no longer in use or that are outdated or obsolete. Next is set in order. Give ingredients, packaging supplies, tools, and equipment their own storage areas to make in identification and retrieval simple, clearly identify and mark these storage spaces. Shine for the third. Encourage workers to take responsibility for their workspace and keep them tidy during their shifts. The next slide, we go to the next presenter, which is Sophie.
I'm Raja Sophie. I'm the last presenter for this group, and now I want to talk about Standard Operation Procedure (SOP). Crepak Frozen Production Standard Operating Procedure is first ingredient preparation, second dough preparation, third filling preparation, fourth assembly and shaping, 5 baking, 6 cooling and packaging, 7 storage and freezing, and the last cleaning and sanitization. Second, the curry puff frozen machine, operation standard operating procedure. The first is machine setup. The second, ingredient preparation. The third, dough feeding and processing. Fourth, filling, dispensing and assembly. 5, baking or cooking. 6, cooling and packaging. And the last, cleaning and maintenance. Next, the Kaizen system. The Kaizen system, 8 elements. First, create a Kaizen culture. Second, identify areas for improvement. Third, involve employees. Fourth, set improvement goals. 5, implement change. 6, monitor and measure result. 7, provide feedback and recognition. And the lastly is repeat the cycle. Next, the storage system. First, categorize ingredients. Second, proper shelving and storage unit. Third, FIFO. This first in, first out system. Next, temperature control, labeling and dating. Next, stock inventory management, cleanliness and hygiene, safety measures, and the last, pest control. The machine downtime management. It track and analyze downtime. Second, it implement preventive maintenance. Okay, how to calculating downtime in straightforward. In its simplest form, downtime is plain time at 12 operating time, hours of downtime. When data collection is automated and connected to a cloud-based analytic platform, downtime can be broken down by hours, shift, operator, machine, spindle, and department. The quick changeover concept. First, identify the changeover activities. Second, separate internal and external activities. Third, convert internal to external activities. Fourth, streamline the process. 5, create checklists and visual aids. 6, train employees. 7, implement continuous improvement. And the last, monitor and measure. Environmental issue is first, food waste. This may include spoiled or expired ingredient, unsold or unused finished products, and food waste produced during the production process. Second, the plastic waste. Waste may be created if packaging materials are not properly utilized or recycled, including plastic bags, cardboard boxes, and styrofoam for the storage and transport of products. Third, plastic waste. Plastic bag wrappers and other single-use plastic items used in the food preparation or packaging can become a significant waste issue if not appropriately disposed or recycled. The fourth, organic waste. The organic waste may include fruit and vegetable peelings, trimmings, or other organic material that is generated during the preparation of food. For the sustainable purpose, it may be used for composting or recycling. Water waste. Water can be wasted as a result of excessive use, such as ineffective cleaning practice or equipment leaks. Reducing such waste can be helped by the use of water conservation measures. The sixth item is energy waste. Wasteful energy consumption can lead to unnecessary energy waste, such as leaving the equipment running when it's not in use or using outdated and energy-intensive machinery. Next, the feedback form is. This is the example of the feedback form to the customer. So customer can tick what they feel. Case study analysis. Okay, the quality solving using SQDCM method. First, S for safety, Q for quality, D for delivery, C for cost, and M for moral. Successfully implement the SQDCM method. First, track and convey progress in each category: safety, quality, delivery, cost, and moral. Create visual boards or display. Involve cross-functional teams or design person to be in charge of monitoring and developing each area. Monitor and update the boards on a regular basis to ensure the quality solving using Pokayoke method. First, prevention. Under the prevention is inconsistent product quality. Identify and define the problem and decrease productivity. The detection. Under the detection is high scrap or waste. Develop an action plan and high level of waste or waste. Explanation for the prevention parts. This for detection parts. The conclusion, the frozen food market. The frozen curry puff business is a promising opportunity. Finally, frozen curry puff is a product with a consistent and vast market demand. Consumers are frequently looking for convenient cuisine that can be quickly stored and reheated, and frozen curry satisfied the requirement. In the frozen curry puff business, product quality is critical. To summarize, it is critical to prioritize frozen curry puff quality in order to gain consumer trust and create a positive brand image. Next, in the frozen curry puff sector, innovation in flavor variants and product variation can be a differentiator. Finally, people enjoy trying new items and seeking out new dining experience. In conclusion, that's all for the present. Thank you.